Kiara. She's gonna get her wash and go. We're super excited. This isn't her first wash and go ever, but it's her first in a long time. So we're excited to try it out. I'm gonna show you all some of the products we're using. So today we did a deep conditioning with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey, and we washed with Cream of Nature shampoo, the Pure Honey lines. We did a leave-in conditioner with Alikay Naturals leave-in conditioner, and we put the castor oil on top. So now we're going to go in with some of this Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Cream and EcoStyler Gel. So the reason we're using this is because this is what she has available to her at home. You all know that I really like to pair custards with gels as well as in place of creams. But because it's saying that it's a curl defining cream, then we're going to go ahead and try it out as well. Pairing a custard with a gel will get you more hold typically. So that's just something for you to know. So this is what her hair is looking like. We just let the leave-in conditioner and the castor oil really just absorb into her hair. Do you feel that? What do you feel like it feels like?
I don't know. My hair?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Does it feel like soft? Does it feel like it absorbed through?
I feel like it definitely absorbed through for sure.
Yeah,
I want to keep maintaining the same process.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like it absorbed into your hair and letting that, obviously we can feel the castor oil because it's so thick. But even the leave-in conditioner felt like it absorbed into your hair. So we're going to start off with realistic expectations. So ideally, we know that her hair is going to shrink once we're finished with it. So this is probably similar to how it will look once we're finished. But hopefully, we're trying to achieve more definition so that you can actually see some form growing in her hair. So yeah, you can. Thank you, girl. You already know what to do. Perfect. All right. So we're going to get started. I'm going to come back on here after I do some of the back and show you all what it looks like in the front. Okay, guys, so we're going to start off on this section. And actually, I am going to use my good old faithful combo. That's the TGIN Twist and Define Cream and the EcoStyler Gel, because we realized that, you know, we like the Design Essentials for the twist out, but we don't necessarily have to use it for a wash and go. So this is just another option for Kiara if it turns out good. So what I'm going to do is I've already wet this section. The thing about it, I always say this, and I love to start off on soaking wet hair. I feel like that's where you're going to get the most definition from your hair is when you're starting off on soaking wet hair. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my Twist and Define cream to this whole section right here. And then I'm going to break it down into smaller sections and see if I need to apply more Twist and Define cream. But we're going to try it out and see and let it rake in and make sure that it's really getting in there. You can see a little bit of the white, but that white will go away because this is a tried and true combination. It will mix and it will not flake. How about that? It's always good when somebody can vet the combos for you. That's why you should check out my other videos. See some more combos. So right now I'm applying the gel. So the thing about it though with the brush is that it even though it does help you comb through it, it does contribute to your shrinkage. Like it's going to shrink it up more than it would if you weren't using the brush. Okay. So we're going to shingle. I'm going to show you guys what shingling looks like. So I have this whole section right here and I have all the product applied to it. And so I'm going to take piece by piece and just lightly twirl it out and kind of section it off and twirl it out. But it's not a deep coil, so it's just really making sure that the ends are kind of sticking together. And that's what shingling really looks like. And so the biggest thing is that like we are twirling the ends because that's the part that people are going to see really the most, right?
Oh, yep, that's true.
So I'm applying the gel all the way through and then just combing it through with my fingers. can see the coils are. Oh, you can't see it for real.
Wait, I can see something though. Something's happening.
Those
oh my goodness. Okay.
Shingling.
Do you pull those apart when it dries? Or
Yeah,
what?
exactly. And so what I would do is the longer you want to wear it out, this is kind of like how you're making the big clumps, right? So like if you want to wear it out a little bit without pulling it apart, you can, and then pull it apart a little bit later. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or if you want to get that immediate look and pull it apart once it dries, of course, right?
Okay.
Like once it fully dries, that's when you pull it out. And then you can like pick your roots or whatever to make it, you know, come out more. And so this is when I work in really small sections, because this is the part that's like super meticulous. Like we want to make sure every curl, no curls left behind. You know what I'm saying? No coils left behind. And I'm really just raking it all the way through, making sure that I'm coating all of it. And like you said, if we were using a brush, it would absolutely help to distribute the product. But that brush is also going to contribute to your shrinkage. So, so I'm just twirling, sectioning, twirling, sectioning, twirling. And I'm not doing them super small either. Yeah. Because this is just going to be more of the natural, like, you know, more of the natural look. What are you thinking?
This is pretty cool, and I think what's really and lending itself to the process is the water.
Oh yeah,
just making sure that it's not dry when starting off.
I think I agree, Kiara. Like water is the biggest,
most essential
factor. Like because it's helping all your products to smooth in. It's helping to get some of the frizz out already, like just from the go. And I'm rubbing that water into your hair. It's not just like spraying it and letting it sit on top. You're like rubbing that water in. That's funny. Yeah. And so this will still probably shrink, right? Like, but it has a little bit of texture.
Defined a little bit too.
Okay, guys, this is what we're looking like in the back. Look at that. I wonder, can you see the definition of it? Like, can you guys see that? It's gonna be so cute. Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha. So we're just gonna do the rest of it. She likes it all to kind of go towards her face. So we got it sectioned off a little bit, where this is gonna be up the top, this is gonna be going down, and this is gonna be going to the front. We'll be back.